How to check if the iPhone is original or fake. Open up your settings and click on the option called General over here, and then click on the option About at the top. Over here where it says model number, if it starts with M, then that's basically a new iPhone which you bought from the store. If the model number starts with F, then that means a replaced device or a second-hand device from Apple Store, a refurbished iPhone. And if it starts with N, then it's a replacement device which is given to you by Apple due to some fault in your iPhone. The next thing you can do is click on the serial number and copy the serial number. Once you copy the serial number, you want to go to your browser and you want to search this. Check coverage iPhone. Once you search for this, click on the first option over here and it'll take you to the coverage section. Over here, you want to scroll down and paste the serial number which you just copied. Once you paste the serial number, click on submit and it's going to give you all the information about your iPhone like this. And if you don't get the information, then that means your iPhone is a fake one or the serial number you entered is incorrect. That's how you guys can check if your iPhone is original or fake. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.